Welcome to Research Rocks. If you're looking Notion AI workspace subscription, and if I'm telling you, you can get this subscription 96% off with the help of my PC Key platform. How we can purchase this one and it's really working or not, I will provide you live demo as well. So now let's start on my Mac screen. Just simply open Google and type here my PC Key. So first link is display here, my PC Key, buy 100% genuine license key at very minimum price. My PC Key recognized by Google and Trustpilot as well. The Google review point of view, people are providing very positive review out of 5, 4.9 rating. So many people are purchasing the subscription and they are very happy about that. Same as it is Trustpilot as well, recognized 4.5 rating is available. We can go back here and just simply click here. Apart from the nation, different subscription is also available here. Which subscription require, you just simply search here. Most of LinkedIn related subscription I personally purchase so many times. I just simply search here. I just simply search here nation. So here two option is available. First one is a 3 month, second one is a 12 month. I just simply open both of them. 12-month subscription, redeem coupon 90% discount offer is going on. So original price is at $250. You just pay $28 and receive entire year Nation premium subscription related features. I personally purchase here 3 month subscription coupon, Nation Business 3 months. If you copy here discount coupon 10%, my PC Key. So again you receive 10% discount for this price. For 3 month point of view, we need to pay here $11. If you visit here the official website, so you need to pay single month $11 per month subscription price. So you can pay 1 month price and use 3 months. So that would be really beneficiary for everyone. Remaining information is available here. You can go through. Purchasing point of view, you just simply click here buy now. So my original price is $11. If I apply here coupon code, so again I am receiving $1.1 discount. So final price is less than $10. Purchasing point of view, you just simply provide here first name, last name, company name, Research Rocks, your region, no matter where you live, accordingly you should purchase this one. And email address is a most important because of you are receiving the redeem link on the specific email address. I just simply scroll down here. As a payment point of view, if you're living in India, so you should provide Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay and UPI. If you're living in abroad, so you should use credit card, debit card, PayPal and cryptocurrency as well. I personally select here in PhonePe. I simply select here and then place the order. Thank you for order. We are now calculating. I need to pay here 945 INR as Indian rupees. So you just simply provide here the basic detail as well here, your address and related information. So here the payment related option is available here. So I just simply go through the UPI. Generate QR code. Now I just simply use my PhonePe, scan this QR code and complete this payment. So my payment is completed. I go back here in my email address and boom, within a second I'm receiving the subscription redeem link here, my PC Key platform providing me. So look at this here, thank you for order, Notion Business 3 months redeem voucher link is here. Please log in current account in desktop browser which need you to redeem this link. Before clicking this link, you need to always open here your Notion account, which account you want. Use this redeem link. So here is my account. I just simply go back here in email and I click here. Welcome to Notion. Get 3 month Notion Business. It's Notion AI for free. Exclusive from the subscription. Redeem once allow and select here my space. So redeem your offer. As a demo point of view, you can provide here your card detail information. And if you see here, this is the promotional provided one set of Nation Business is no cost for 3 months. First 3 months is absolutely free. After 3 months you need to pay. Meanwhile you can cancel anytime. So I just simply here start my free trial. Getting your workspace is ready and welcome to Notion. Download business. Let's go. It's easy to get the subscription, very affordable prices with the help of my PC Key platform. And if I click here, so business plan 1 member is showing here. It means I am successfully able to get this subscription, very affordable prices. If I close here, if I come here and if I click here, so here is also showing. So using this process, you can very easily get the subscription 90 to 95% off with the help of my PCKey platform. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.